Summer's top 5 science experiments for kids. Please subscribe to my channel. Summer is a great time to engage kids in a fun and educational science experiments. Here are 5 exciting science experiments that are perfect for kids during the summer. Solar-powered oven. Create a solar-powered oven to harness the sun's energy and cook delicious treats. Cut open a shoebox and cover the top with aluminum foil. Place black construction paper at the bottom of the box and position it in direct sunlight. Use the oven to cook s'mores or melt crayons. It's a fantastic way to demonstrate the power of solar energy. Volcano eruption. Create a volcanic eruption using baking soda and vinegar. Build a volcano shape using clay or paper match and place it on a tray. Fill the volcano's crater with baking soda. Then, pour vinegar into the crater and watch the eruption occur. The reaction between the vinegar, acid, and baking soda, base, releases carbon dioxide gas, causing the eruption. Ice cream in a bag. Make delicious homemade ice cream using simple ingredients. In a small resealable bag, combine milk, sugar, and vanilla extract. In a larger resealable bag, add ice and rock salt. Place the small bag inside the larger bag and shake vigorously for about 5 to 10 minutes. The salt lowers the freezing point of the ice, creating a brine that rapidly cools the mixture and turns it into ice cream. Watermelon volatile eruption. This experiment combines chemistry and the fun of a watermelon. Carve a small hole in the top of a watermelon and insert a few Mentos candies into it. Stand back and watch the watermelon burst as the candies react with the carbon dioxide in carbonated soda, causing a fizzy eruption. It's an exciting way to explore the concept of nucleation. Rainbow in a jar. Create a colorful rainbow in a jar using various liquids with different densities. Fill a clear glass jar halfway with corn syrup, followed by a layer of dish soap, water, vegetable oil, and finally, food coloring. Each liquid will stack on top of the other due to differences in density, creating a vibrant rainbow effect. Kids can observe and learn about density and immiscibility. Remember, safety should always be a priority during science experiments. Adult supervision is recommended, especially when using potentially hazardous materials or heat sources. Have a great time exploring and learning with these engaging summer science experiments. Thanks for watching.